Welcome back to part 2 of the RX7 Respray. Today I'm ready to go. So I'm not going to bore you with any time lapses of me rubbing it down or masking it or anything. I've got the car here ready to paint. I've got the paint mixed up. I've got all the panels rubbed down, so the panels are going to come in and get painted when the car's done. So I get the car out, get the panels in, and hopefully we'll be looking at some nice red stuff very soon. I'm going to go suit up and start spraying. Alright, she's all painted. 3 coats of paint on there, looking nice, shiny red. Said it before, I'll say it again. I love painting stuff. Very, very satisfying. Alrighty, got the shell painted yesterday, very happy with it. A few bolt-on panels here today. Not going to get crazy trying to paint everything at once. I'd rather just have a lot of space, take my time with it, so let's make some stuff red. Alright, did something a little different there for you guys. Just grabbed the camera while it was time-lapsing and thought I would videotape me spraying the bonnet, so I think that might have come out alright. Everything's nice and red and shiny. Rear hatch lid ready to go. Nice shiny black. Let's do it. So the 7's coming together really well. I'm really proud of this one, it's coming up so nice. The fresh red just looks so good. Compared to when the car came in, it's an absolute massive transformation. Everything's slowly coming together. Got the spoiler on, the bumpers on, the fuel doors on, and nice Allen head bolts inside it. Door handles, side skirts, bonnet. Guards and headlight, lids are all lined up and adjusted and everything. That was very time consuming. I haven't filmed a lot of this like I have in my other videos because I kind of feel like it might be boring to watch. So maybe let me know in the comments below if you want to see that stuff or not. I've done a little bit of time-lapse stuff in the booth, but again, I haven't filmed it. I kind of feel like the videos drag out a little bit and you'd rather just get to the finished product. Speaking of which, there's a few things holding me up. The sunroof was glued shut with liquid nails and the motor is missing. So the owner of the car is currently looking for another second-hand sunroof so I can put the sunroof in. There's a few other little things. I still need to paint the front and rear lip and all the body moldings. So next video, that stuff will all be done and you'll get to see the car finished. And hopefully we can maybe even go for a drive. So if you're still watching, please subscribe. It helps me out massively. I'm trying to get the numbers up. I just passed 1,000 recently, which again, I'm really proud of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.